Right, hello guys, Exploring with Bubblets here. We are at East Midlands Airport doing some plane spotting. There is a Jet 2 that is, yeah, this is the new camera by the way, but somewhere down that runway, yeah, it's right down at the bottom, there is a Jet 2, and I mean, if I can show it, there it is. And it is a Jet 2 Boeing 737, and it is, I mean, the thing about this is I can literally get down the runway with this camera, which I love. Apart from I'm new to it, so bear with me if I screw up. But yeah, so this is going to Larnaca. But yeah, it's a Jet 2 Boeing 737. I just realised I'm doing the sky. Yeah, I did have a stand for it, but my road camera decided it doesn't want to come apart from its mount, so I can attach this to it, but so I'll have to do this by hand. But got it focused on the runway. Well, zoom back out. Oh, it's turning. And it's lined up on the runway. Now let's see, man. I tell you, I'm the worst person for doing stuff like this. God damn it. Because of my hands, I have dropsies. Its ground speed is 9 knots. I think you can make out its tail. Yeah, it's turning onto it, you can see it. I actually like this camera. Alright, it's all lined up. Seven knots, 9 knots, here it comes. Yep, there it is. Oh, this camera is awesome. Yeah, here it comes. Oh yeah, this camera is so much better. Alright.